Hi, I'm Anne, and this is an update from Riverbend Agnes Water. I'm standing in one of our almost completed display homes. All of the civil works of this stage are complete and the landscaping is begun. As a future resident of Riverbend, I'm really excited about the lush tropical landscaping that will happen here. Everything grows so fast, but there's no worries if you're a resident here at Riverbend Agnes Water because a team of gardeners will take care of all the landscaping for you. Our display homes are almost complete, as you'll see, so please come up and have a look. We are going to announce a price increase fairly soon, so best not to wait too long. Hope to hear from you soon.